Farmers and distributors operating in Douglas Castle are raising concerns about the state of the main road from Clarendon into St. Ann. They say the badly damaged roadway is slowing transportation and increasing operational costs. Sandy Williams has our story.
Deep craters filled with rainwater, broken asphalt, and a road that farmers say has been neglected for years. For the agricultural community in Douglas Castle, this stretch of roadway is a daily struggle to move produce from farm to market. Farmers in the community cultivate a wide range of crops, from pumpkins and cucumbers to lettuce, pak choy, cabbage, and string beans. But getting those goods out is becoming increasingly difficult.
For the road, still the road not good either. Because I go out more while, but the road.
How long has it been in that state?
Well, a long time, especially when you pass Skellet going down here. Road bad. Most of them complain most of the time. Yeah, because you know, if you have reached a certain place by a certain amount of time, you have to leave out even extra early.
For distributors who collect the produce, the cost of navigating the battered roadway is mounting. Dwayne Prince, owner of Green Rose Farm Produce Limited, distributes produce from Douglas Castle to supermarkets in Kingston and St. Andrew almost daily.
Impact it a lot with time. Like you have to leave very early. The road is very bad because they need their goods, so you have to leave early because the road is very bad. You can't go fast on it. But even though we go slow on it, it still mess the vehicle up.
Mechanical damage has become routine.
For the year, I have to change ball joint 3 times for the year, because if I don't change it, it eat the tire to, one part, mash up the next one. So it lick out ball joint very often, rubbers. Damage the rubbers them very often, spring. With the weight in the riding, the spring, it breaks spring sometimes.
Mr. Prince says the rising repair costs inevitably affect the price consumers pay.
Yeah, it impacts everything because we have to charge in order to cover expense in order to make the business can continue. So we have to make sure like everything is covered.
Farmers say even sections that were recently repaired are already breaking apart.
So leave them from Clarendon to St. Ann. We don't have no road. You have to mind your donkey foot break.
He believes poor construction may be part of the problem.
It's supposed to get a 4-inch ababa green or a 5-inch ababa green. They're not giving 1 2-inch. They can't last.
Until lasting repairs are made, every trip to market comes with delays, mounting costs, and the risk that the very road meant to connect them to opportunity is instead holding them back. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.